Hi, this is Gemini Dhar. I'm a Take Charge expert and I work with women and children to empower them. I have a very strong girl and she is very special to me. I spoke to her for 10 minutes and I'm ashamed of what I'm doing in life because there are so many more things that I can do in life, but I don't do them. So why don't I do them? I'm going to find out. I'm going to go for my soul searching and find out what are the things that I really need to add in my life to make it even more power packed. So off to Saloni. Saloni, tell me about yourself. Who are you?
My name is Saloni.
Yes, Saloni. Your name is Saloni what? What's your surname?
My name is Saloni Rajendra Kadam.
Okay. And which school do you go to?
I go to St. John's High School.
Okay. And tell me one person in your life that you inspire from, in your family.
In my family,
yeah.
I'm inspired with my mother because she is really hardworking.
Okay.
So that's why.
And what are the things that your dad does for you?
My dad had did many things for me. Means he had he did many things for me. He whenever I need the help, he always come to help me. And
okay, about your father. Does he tell you that you can't do something or you can't achieve anything in life? Has he
ever because I know there are the parents, but my parents always tell me that you can do everything.
Okay.
And they are just inspiration.
Tell me your dream, because you told me your dream and I'm amazed with your dream. Tell me what's your dream. Let everybody on YouTube watch. Let all the children, all the parents and all the specially able people also watch, because I want to share your dream. It is an amazing dream.
My dream is that I want to climb Mount Everest and I can do it.
Superb. So you can see the confidence, and Saloni is a specially abled, visually empowered person, because she cannot see, but she has a vision which is larger than life. Even I don't think of climbing the Mount Everest. So I told her, I know Anand Bansode. He has climbed each and every mountain. He works with UNICEF for the girl child. He does campaigns. So I am definitely going to introduce you to Anand after this interview. And I want that your dream should really come true very fast. So you have a dream. What do you do to reach towards your goal? You want to climb Mount Everest. So what are you going to do about it?
Actually, right now I'm working with the adventures. I'm doing small adventures like rock climbing, raffling. So I know definitely if this I can do, so definitely I can climb the Mount Everest in my future.
And how does it feel when you do rock climbing? Because see, people like us would like to see the scenery, we would like to see the colors and everything. For you, life is totally different, you know. You see through your heart, you see through your experience, you sense things. So how does it feel when you do rock climbing? Are you scared?
No, yes, actually first I was scared, but when I climbed that wall now, and the people who were just cheering for me and who were really excited ki yes, come on Saloni, you can do it, that was really exciting for me.
Okay.
And
I'm sure it must be like an experience. And how did it change your thought process? Once you do rock climbing, before you started, you must be thinking it will be difficult or it will be scary, but you did it. So when you reached the top and people were cheering you and you finished it, so when you came home, what did it do to you? It built your confidence?
Yes, it built my confident, and after doing rock climbing, I was really feeling confident ki yes, I can do something.
Superb. So by doing, you can get that feeling of I can, you know, that confidence comes.
Yes,
so that's what I always say, that when you do something, when you work towards your dreams and goals, you can achieve them. So I'm sure it's not a small task for her to climb Mount Everest, but she has the vision and a dream. So having a dream is extremely powerful. What other dreams do you have?
Other dream is that I want to become a singer.
Okay, and sing something for me.
Okay, I'll sing.
Yeah.
नाज़िया जिंदगी एक पल भी हो के तुझसे जुदा, सुन जरा बिन तेरे मुझसे नाराज था दिल, तू मिला है तो है कह रहा, मैं तेरे रंग में रंग चुकी हूँ, बस तेरी बन चुकी हूँ, मेरे मुझ में कुछ नहीं, सब तेरा.
Superb. So she loves to sing, and your father told me that you would want to be a singer.
Yes.
So are you training for singing?
No, I'm not training for singing, but in the some events for inter-school competitions, or if anything is there to the function, so there I'm singing, and
So
many of the
how do
places.
you practice the lyrics? You know, how do you remember? Do you make your own songs?
No, I didn't make my own songs, but the songs which I hear on mobile, you know, I don't have to do anything special for remembering the song. Automatically
Wow.
it happens.
Superb. And you know Rushabh, the kindness man.
Yes, I know.
How did you meet him?
Actually, I'm doing marathons also. So when it was my first marathon, at that time I met the Rishabh sir as a volunteer. He was my runner with me.
So why did you decide to run a marathon?
Actually,
I don't like running. I'm sitting at home and doing a lot of other things than running. So I know a friend of mine, Naina Mansukhani. She runs a lot of marathon. Her mother, Mala Mansukhani, she's above 60. She's nearing 60 and she runs marathons. So I have seen a lot of different people running, and I heard you are with Pinkathon also. So why did you decide to run? What does running do to you? When you run, how do you feel?
when I was running to my when I run to my kilometers, I like running because it makes us very confident, and of course it makes us healthy as well. But when I was running, the people were cheering me that yes, come on, run fast. It was just amazing for me that someone is telling, okay, come on, you can do it.
So Rushabh help you run the first
Yes.
marathon. Then you said you ran the second marathon with Rushabh, and the
Yes.
third marathon he refused to take your hand. He said you run on your own,
Yes,
and you did it.
yes, I did it.
So you ran without somebody's support.
Yes, of course.
So how did you measure your footsteps, or how did you know you're going in the right direction? I mean,
Actually, Rishabh sir was guiding me ki go straight, go right. So from that only I was measuring, and I was really confident ki yes, I can. I was not becoming slow also ki, and I was
so
not
Rushabh
stopping.
sir is a kind of a mentor for you. He's showing you the light. You know, this is the guy. He's guiding you, and
Yes.
you trust him.
Yes,
So
of
just
course.
on the basis of trust, you ran the whole marathon.
Yes.
And you did it.
Yes.
So it is important to trust other people. People
Oh.
who are really, really supportive to you.
Yes, it is really important. The people which are supportive to us now, we should always trust them.
Right. And Saloni, what are your favorite subjects?
My favorite subject is science.
Wow. And what part of science? You said you liked...
Yes, I said that I like technology. I like computers, means which are related to technologies.
So what you want to become professionally other than singer?
Yes, professionally I want to become a computer engineering.
And do you want to make a lot of money? What does money mean to you?
Money, like it doesn't mean anything for me. But
Okay.
yes, but according to now expectations, money are very important in our life.
Okay. And what does money bring to you?
Like money doesn't bring anything specially for me, but yes, little.
Little. And what is your hobbies other than singing? Okay, I want to talk a little bit more about your science things. When you do science, do you do experiments?
But I do science in my school now.
Yeah.
So it means yes, even I had did one experiment. Which was that we have to produce, means it was with the help of the test tube that we have to with the chemical reaction, we have to put that fire extinguisher something
Yeah.
with the carbon dioxide that we have to do.
And
So,
how was the experience?
my experience was good because my all the teachers, means they hold my hand and they just show me ke like this way we have to do the experiment with. They show me all test tubes, they put all chemicals with my hand. So yes, I
Wow,
did.
superb. So you are experimenting and trying out everything possible that you want to do in life,
Yes.
and you want to be a singer. So I'm going to wish you all the best, and I want you to run many more marathons, and next marathon that you run, I am going to join you.
Oh.
Because I I'm going to take Rishabh sir's guidance, and even I'm going to run on faith. So let me see if I can run a marathon, because I'm very lazy in running. So I'm going to challenge myself and do that. Tell me one thing you don't like to do.
One thing
that you don't like to do.
that I don't like to do.
Something that you don't like. Just कंटाल आता है या अच्छा नहीं लगता है. You know what?
Okay. Means I don't like to, means I don't like that in afternoon time that I shall go somewhere outside.
So you want to be in the house in the afternoon. You don't want to go out in the heat.
Yes.
Okay, that's natural. That's okay. That's fine. And I thought you will say something like, I don't like maths, or I don't like English.
Oh, really? I don't like maths.
You don't like maths? Even I don't like maths. So we can be very good friends, because I hate maths. Sorry, but that's the truth. I don't like maths. I like the numbers. I like to make money, but okay. I like to count my rupees, but I don't like to count maths sums. So I think we gel with each other. But you do study maths in school, right? You don't avoid it.
No, I don't avoid it. Because the subjects...
Because let me tell you that I am 46 years old and I still need to do maths. So even if you like it or you don't like it, maths is the reality of life. And how does it feel of being on YouTube?
It will be, I hope it will be really amazing for me, because it is my first video which will be uploaded on YouTube.
Superb. And I'm looking for many more. You should look into the camera and talk to the people and share your experience, share your views, inspire them to run, and a lot of things. Saloni, I have a audio book which you just need to listen. 9 Ways to Empower. I wrote a book, I authored a book, 9 Ways to Empower, where I've written a lot of stories, and I've shared a lot of stories about people and how women can empower themselves, and what you should do to, develop yourself into a better person. So I think you are an amazing girl, and I am going to gift you one of my audio books. You have to listen to it and tell me how did you like it. Okay, and you can say bye to everybody and thank you. We've ended the interview, and Saloni is an inspiration for me, because I saw her run the marathon. The day I saw her picture with Rishabh, and the day I saw her running, I really requested him, can I meet this girl, can I speak to her? And it's been amazing. My daughter is in 9th grade, Saloni is in 9th grade, and such a vast change of personalities, both special people. I love girls. Okay, I'm very partial to girls actually, and I would really wish you all the best, and we will connect more, and when you climb Mount Everest, I'm going to take your autograph.
Yes, of course.
Thank you, Saloni. Thanks for talking.
Thank you.
So Saloni wants to ask Rishabh something. Ask Saloni, what do you want to ask Rishabh?
How was your experience when you ran first time with me with the marathon?
I think I was more scared and nervous while running with you, because it became my responsibility, and in fact while running with you and talking to you non-stop, showing you different things around, I started paying attention to the smallest thing which was around, so that I can discuss with you.
Oh.
So Saloni, you know what, when I took your interview, I had thought that I'm going to close my eyes and talk to you, but I got so emotional when I closed my eyes, and I realized so many emotions coming in me, so many things came in my mind, I think I would have not been able to take your interview, and I would have burst out crying or something like that. I got very emotional. So I said, chuck the idea, keep your eyes open, look at the beautiful face of Saloni and talk to her and experience her joy. So I think you are very special. You are very blessed also that you found a mentor or a friend like Rishabh, and you are meeting so many amazing people. You know why? Because your mind and your ideas are so beautiful that you are attracting that kind of people in your life. So think good, dream big, and any dream I can be of use. I'm just a phone call away. You can just call me. And when you climb Mount Everest, I hope I'm strong enough to climb with you, or we can do something together.
Of course, when I'll climb Mount Everest, first I will call you.
Yes, thank you so much. So this is the amazing Saloni, and we're going to talk with Rishabh soon. So thank you, Saloni.
Welcome.
Thank you, Rishabh.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Gemini again, and I have Saloni's father. आप सलोनी के फादर हैं. सो आपके दिमाग में सलोनी के लिए क्या ड्रीम्स एंड गोल्स है? हर माँ बाप चाहता है कि मेरा बच्चा ये करे वो करे. सो आपने सलोनी को इतना आत्मविश्वास और इतना होप और इतना करेज दिया है कि आई वुड बी मुझे आपके जैसा पेरेंट बनना अच्छा लगेगा। तो आप मुझे बताइए कि आपने सलोनी के लिए क्या सपने देखे हैं?
सलोनी के लिए हमने तो उसको तो ज़्यादा करके वो माउंट एवरेस्ट के लिए जाना है वहाँ पर, तो हमारी भी यही सोच है कि वो वहाँ तक पहुँचे, और ज़्यादा करके उसको सिंगिंग में भी बहुत मतलब दिल से वो चाहती है कि मैं गाना वगैरह गाऊँ, और काफ़ी अच्छा भी गाती है वो। और अभी ऋषभ सर भी उनको गाइड कर रहे हैं कि मैराथन में जाती है। अभी 3 साल से वो पहले स्टार्टिंग में 3-4 किलोमीटर कुछ दौड़ी थी शायद, फिर उसके बाद में 2-3 किलोमीटर।
सो जब सलोनी आपको ऐसा कुछ चीज़ बोलती है जो नॉर्मली विजुअली एम्पावर्ड या जिनके पास विजन नहीं है वो बच्चे करना चाहते हैं, तो आपको क्या डर लगता है कि ये कर पाएगी नहीं कर पाएगी, सेफ है नहीं है, करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए, क्या आपको डाउट आते हैं ऐसे?
नहीं, तो स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा आता था क्योंकि लड़की है तो थोड़ा बहुत तो
एज अ फादर। हाँ,
ऋषभ सर एक बार देखे गए, उसके बाद में तो डर ही मिट गया हमारा, क्योंकि वो काफ़ी अच्छा गाइड करते हैं अच्छे से।
तो आप मानते हैं कि वो कर सकती है?
जी 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 जरूर कर सकते हैं, और उसको हमारी तरफ से तो पूरा कि वो और कुछ आगे करे, और हम लोग को।
आप अपना नाम और अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए।
मेरा नाम राजेंद्र कदम है और मैं सलोनी का पप्पा हूँ। एक्चुअली मैं अभी थोड़ा मैं ड्राइविंग करता हूँ।
और सलोनी की मम्मी आपको बोलती है कुछ कि सलोनी को ये करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए, या कि वो एनकरेज करती, क्या वो डरती है सलोनी को नई नई जगह भेजने से?
वो भी नहीं, वो भी मेरी जैसी स्ट्रांग है, वो भी बोलती है सलोनी को जो करना चाहिए वो करने दो उसको, तो हम उसके साथ में हैं।
थैंक यू सो मच। हमारे पास एक फादर, वी हैव अ फादर who believes in his daughter and see what his daughter is doing and see the dreams of his daughter. So मैं बोलती हूँ कि सलोनी जो कर रही है वो तो कुछ खास है ही, उसमें कुछ खास वो है, बट आपने उनको सपोर्ट किया और आप उनके ड्रीम्स में उसको हेल्प कर रहे हैं। वो एक फादर का सबसे ब्यूटीफुल रोल होता है बेटी की लाइफ में, एंड ऑफ कोर्स उनकी मम्मी से वो इंस्पायर होती, वो बताते, तो उनकी मम्मी भी बहुत स्पेशल है। सो इट इज़ माई प्रिविलेज टू मीट यू, और थैंक यू फॉर टॉकिंग।